Members of YouTube, I have two questions today concerning leopard geckos. First off, well, that's Walnut Shell down there. He's not going to eat it. It's not sand. He won't get impacted. He's not a fucking retard. Do not post shit. And that's Pink Floyd poster. And that's him. Okay, that's Moss. He goes on that more when it's wet to shed, more than he goes into there. That's a moist hide. First question. He does not come out of his hide much anymore, and that's the hot side lamp and a hot pad underneath it. It gets kind of warm. And so he's not coming out of his hide anymore, and he used to a lot at night. And I'm wondering if this is a problem, or it could be related to question 2. Okay, question 2 is, I have not seen him shed in the 2 months that I've had him. He's gotten bigger, yeah, and his color has gotten brighter, and he's losing his stripes, but I haven't seen him shed. Like, sometimes I'll wake up in the morning and he'll be a brighter color than he was last night. Like, he'll be duller last night, but I haven't seen him shed. I want to know if, like, he's doing it at night where I can't see it. Okay, yeah, that's my video, and isn't he just goddamn awesome?